Start with opening ModelsLab website. Once the website is open, click Resources and then Plugins. Then click Explore Plugins. And then find Imagen for After Effects. Click Download. It will redirect you to Adobe website, where you can install the plugin directly to your software through your Adobe Creative Cloud app. It's that easy. Now open your Adobe After Effects and go to Window, then Extensions. Here you will find your plugin Imagen. Now click Activate. Paste your key ID here, which you will find from your ModelsLab dashboard. If you don't have the key, click Manage Subscription. It will take you to the subscription plans of a ModelsLab, where you can select a plan according to your need. After purchasing the plan, you can find your key ID on your dashboard. Copy that key ID and paste it here. This is just a one-time hustle. Now the Imagen is ready to generate image. Let's try something special for the Christmas.
AI Plugins by ModelsLab.